check the part number. This is the condition, this is the loop to check the part number. The part number is available or not. If the part number is not available, here the error message will be shown. After that, this is the function to write. We already updated. We have to write that updated data into our CSV. That's why this. If you see the write function, it will if only edit, save or updated. We can use this write function to only this purpose. Okay, write or save, so updated or save. After that, this is the remove function. Here we can the same as while loop. Do we want to remove? We have to add the part number as the input.
Why we don't use the append, not write?
Sorry.
Why we use write? Like here file.
Here.
Yes.
Here we already updated the data in. We have all the type the data in the.
So why we don't use the append? Because we append.
No need to use here. We have to use the read and write only. No need to use the append.
Okay.
Okay. Because. Okay. If you want, I like the append.
No, but I just ask like.
If you
curious. No problem. خلاص, it's right.
Because the append is append, which means the single item updated, right? Existing file. If you want to add the single item, which means one item. If you want to add the one item in the database, the file, you can use append. But we can use the more than one item. That's why I use write. Okay. Same like that here. This is the validation function. This is the validation to part number. After that, the same like here the read line. After that, it will be delete. Here, this is the delete function. Here I use here append because it I added the only one function. The delete in the delete function, one record only delete. Yes. There is no more than one. That's why I use the append here. Okay. The same function here. The message will be after that. Message will be this. Here the function is generate table. Here this is the function they mentioned. See, total quantity. I mentioned the quantity. Float from the data 4. Data 4 mean the array position of the Excel sheet.
Yeah.
Okay, here the price. Because we get the data from the file. That's why we mentioned the data 4 file like this. Here total equal quantity multiply price. This is the function. Here they already asked the your input should be rounded by 2 decimal. Here they mentioned monetary value should be shown to the nearest 2 decimal position. So that's why I used round.
Oh, okay.
Okay, round 2. If you want to 3 digit, you can use 3. If you want to 1, you can use 1. Okay, round mean it will be reduce the digit.
Yeah.
Okay, after. Okay. Here the print, I use the tabulate function here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the table is here empty. I use the tabulate. If you doesn't use it will be collapse.
Yeah.
I'll just remove and check. Okay. I didn't check. I just remove and check. Let's see. Here.
Yeah.
So that's the purpose from the tablet.
Yeah, that's why we used tabulate.
Cool.
Okay. this is the function called. For this function, this is a small function. They didn't give the function name. Here they give the delete item, add item, updated item function name. For this function, they didn't give. That's why I just give the normal form. Okay. Below 4, which means the price should be lower. So quantity should be lower than 4. Below than 4. That's why I give the 4. The list should be here. The same as we have to read the line from the database, from the file. After that we can remove the string values, then split which means remove. So it will be give the space with the comma.
Yeah.
That's why I use this split. Okay. Here I give the if condition.
Yeah.
If quantity is, first I get the data.
Quantity.
The data position. This is the data position. Data 4. Okay, data position equal to quantity. After that, quantity is lower than 4.
Okay.
Table will be show using the tabulate function. Okay. After that, file filter below, which means if you given the price, the item should be here the price. If the price input here, the price input means our price. Our input price is lower than given price. Lower than given price. Here this function. Here. All items whose price is greater than a value provided by a user. This is the function. Okay. This is the average percentage. Here I give the average. Here this is the average function. We already write total function below at the top of the program.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you
Okay, I
mentioned-
reuse that code.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can write. We can put the total price here.
Yeah.
Total equal quantity, but I didn't use because they asked to reuse the function. That's
Yeah.
why I used the because the total function is reuse
Yeah.
in the which function?
That
Under which function?
choose the which one? When they ask for the whole table.
Yeah, whole table. The last table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The quantity
In the
multiplied the price.
the third function. Sorry,
Quantity
fourth
multiplied-
function.
Yeah, number
We
4.
already write in the third function.
Yeah, display
Sometimes
of
they
the
will
third.
ask which function,
Yeah.
under which function did you use this.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's why. Okay, it's a line number. Here. Okay. Then the same table. I use the same. There are the same function will be
Updates.
come again and again. Here the
Yeah.
average lower than price. It will be shown.
Yeah.
Okay, then statistic. Here I have to change then statistics because I have to show the price. Here I only show the maximum price. I have to show the name of that item.
Yeah.
I did the mistake. I will change and tell you. Here, this is the function. This is the maximum price function. This is the minimum.
Minimum price.
Minimum if the stock.
Yeah.
Minimum stock function. I am using all the if else
Yeah.
condition only. So okay. Here the final.
Yeah.
This is the main function.
Yeah.
The 8th function. After that, user input 1. The add part will be shown. Add function will be shown.
Yeah.
Okay. Break. That's all. Here I mentioned main function.
Yeah. You
Here,
call the
main.
main function.
Yeah. That's all. Now I have to add the comment for all the
Yeah.
part. Okay, I'll add and send you tomorrow.